Put your chemistry knowledge to the ultimate periodic table challenge. Can you find the metal? Options are sodium, selenium, sulfur, and oxygen. Sodium is the right answer. Find the only noble gas: nitrogen, oxygen, chlorine, or neon. Neon is the correct answer. Find the only liquid metal. Options are zinc, mercury, iron, and copper. Mercury is the only liquid metal. Find the only halogen. Possibilities are rubidium, argon, fluorine, xenon. Fluorine is the only halogen among these choices. Find the only transition metal. Choices to think are potassium, iron, germanium, bromine. Iron is the only transition metal among these possibilities. Find the only gaseous element in group 1: hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium. Hydrogen is the correct choice. Can you find the only liquid non-metal? Choices are nitrogen, bromine, iodine, helium. Bromine is the correct answer. Find the only alkali metal: calcium, sodium, magnesium, aluminium. Sodium is the only alkali metal in the list. Find the only alkaline earth metal. Options are barium, potassium, iron, copper. Barium is the only alkaline earth metal. Find the only metalloid. Options are silicon, sulfur, scandium, oxygen. Silicon is the only metalloid among them. Find the only metal that can melt in the palm of your hand: sodium, mercury, aluminium, gallium. Gallium can melt in the palm of your hand. Find the only element that forms over 10 million compounds: carbon, silicone, nitrogen, oxygen. Carbon forms over 10 million compounds. Find the only element with the highest electronegativity: chlorine, carbon, fluorine, hydrogen. Fluorine has the highest electronegativity. Find the only most abundant element in the universe: hydrogen, oxygen, carbon, argon. Hydrogen is the most abundant element. Find the only element named after the sun: neon, selenium, helium, tellurium. Helium element is named after the sun. Find the only element named after the moon: cerium, selenium, tellurium, helium. Selenium element is named after the moon. Find the only element named after a planet. Thorium, actinium, francium, neptunium. Neptunium is named after a planet. Find the only element named after a scientist. Californium, dubnium, einsteinium, europium. Here, einsteinium is the only element named after a scientist. Find the only element named after a country. Americium, berkelium, germanium, californium. Germanium gets its name from Germany. Find the only element after a continent. Uranium, europium, berkelium, erbium. Europium is named after Europe. Find the only element whose chemical symbol comes from its Latin name. Gold, gallium, gadolinium, germanium. It's gold. The symbol Au comes from its Latin name, aurum. Any idea about the only noble gas with just 2 valence electrons? Helium, neon, argon, krypton. Helium is the only noble gas with just 2 valence electrons. Find the only radioactive element. Pick your answer from magnesium, polonium, mercury, calcium. Polonium is the only radioactive element in the list. Find the only actinide. Pick your answer from curium, erbium, mercury, lithium. Curium is the only actinide in the list. Find the only lanthanide. Options are thorium, sulfur, samarium, zinc. Samarium is the only lanthanide among these elements. Thanks for watching the video. Bye-bye!